This 2022 East to West Alta 3150 kbh is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used east to west is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 11, slide-out, leveling jacks, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, skylight, water heater, LP detector, auxiliary battery, oven, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 East to West Alta 3150 kbh is 7,911 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.